Real estate motivated. Reggie here. It's Monday, so basically what I'm thinking is kind of like doing like a vlog, like a weekly vlog, or more of like an update, or just things I'm doing during the week, stuff like that. You know what I mean? So yeah, getting some of these fits off. You know what I'm saying? Getting some of these fits off.
Boy, if you don't get.
But to keep it more, real estate content. So yeah, man. The first time, my name is Reggie. I'm a real estate entrepreneur, real estate development project manager for the greatest development team in the world, Kimmel Properties. And yeah, man, I do a lot of great things in South Baton Rouge, tracking it with content. You know what I mean? So yeah, stay tuned. It's Monday. What we got planned today? Order some fixtures for 5 flags. Submittal package, gotta get that straight. Submittal package basically it's basically your point A to point, I'm not gonna say B, point Z, really, of all your materials, all your fixtures, all those things. And it's best to do it at the beginning of the project, so you're really not overspending, going over budget, stuff like that. But yeah, man, stay tuned. Also got, finally got the interview with the multifaceted, multi-fabulous Ashley Creighton, who's gonna be going over property management.
Hey, Ashley, we're connecting dots, property management, and I'm gonna be on real estate. What is it? Motivated. Real estate motivated. Real estate motivated.
Stop playing with my name. I ain't gonna say it no more.
Real estate motivated.
A lot of investors really need it. A lot of people, I think, they jump in real estate with a lot of false dreams and hopes, really think it's gonna be easy, and you get that first property with that first tenant, it could be bad and just ruin your taste. So yeah, just get some tips from her about this. Yeah, man, start this week off right. It's Monday, let's get it. Woo, long day. Finishing up some stuff. We were able to got a lot accomplished. Shout out Real for work.
Yeah.
What's up, guys? It's Reggie, the team's project manager. We are here at our latest residential rehab. It's the
It's our.
Alright, let's roll back into it. Let's get done to it.
Alright, 1, 2, 3.
What's up, guys? It's Reggie, the team's development project manager. We're here at our latest residential renovation. This is a total rehab. When we started this project, it did not look like this. We are 30 to 45 days out. This is going to be a 3-2, roughly 1,500 square feet. Be on the market 30 to 45 days. We're also offering a lease-to-own option. Check it out, look around. If you know someone interested, hit up Ashley Creighton, our property manager.
About to interview Ashley finally, after playing me 2, 3, 5 times. I think I'm the only one there. My dog Nikhil in here, working late, hustler of the year. What you up to, bro?
Oh, what's up, bro?
What's up with you, bro? What you up to right now?
Man, just looking up some wholesale deals, man. Just trying to figure out, find some owners of some properties, man.
My dog Nikhil, killing the wholesale game. You know what I'm saying? If you got a tip for anybody really trying to, one tip for anybody really trying to like jump into wholesaling or thinking about it, what would you tell them? It's one thing.
Hustle.
That's it.
It's a lot of grind.
A lot of grind.
Yeah, you gotta really put your time into it if you wanna win.
Hey, man, that's my dog Nikhil, man. Appreciate you for blessing me with your presence, bro. You know what I'm saying?
Man, pleasure mine, bro.
Nah. Look, he humble, but he definitely about to be a big dog out here. Tuesday. Man, look, I had a busy day. Didn't have time to be, you know what I'm saying, kiki, playing, you know what I'm saying, YouTube and all that. Got a lot done, needs to get done. You know what I'm saying? Now we are back at my duplex. We are, really got permits. We are ready to go. Budget approved. Everything is approved. Really, I am here. Hold on, let me get my melanated light right. You know what I mean? Really, I am here because I am trying to really confirm everything I want for framing. So I am looking at this closet and this pantry section on the rental unit side. Basically, well, I'll show you what I'm thinking. That's what I came up with. Basically, what I'm thinking is have the pantry in the middle right here as a little closet as well. Extending it out. Also framing this as a new closet. opening up this wall. You probably like, what is he talking about? But look, man, stay tuned, learn something. Look. So basically what I am saying is, if you can see, this wall has all this room inside. Don't want to waste it. And on the other side, which is going to be the pantry, it has all this wall as well. It's hella dark in here, but there's a lot of room in there. So basically what I am saying is, because this is going to be a kitchen, L-shaped kitchen that's going to be closed off anyway. So right here, instead of building a pantry taking up square footage in the living room, thinking about opening up this, bringing it out a little bit, and they can utilize all this space and be a walk-in pantry / closet. Extend it out. Also, framing up a closet, having it right here, where I have space up here, and don't forget about the space on the other side. So basically, it's this space right here, and all this space in here, but right here. So, get you back with a visual. That's what my brain came up with. Look, man, getting a lot done. Hey, stay tuned. Let's get it. Made it, man. It's a beautiful day. I'm feeling good. I mean, it's Thursday, one day before Friday. But hey, when you love what you're doing, you don't even count the days, man. Listen, today what we got planned here. I am still on the hunt for these wood floors for this historic fiveplex. And yeah, I gotta get these cabinets measured as well for the same project. Yeah, look, stay in tune, stick with your boy today. Should be an eventful day, a cool day in this real estate thing. Yeah, so rock out with your boy, man. What's up? Did I just say rock out? What the oh man, it's wildin', really wildin' right now. If you know anything over 4 units is considered commercial. So when we went to 5 units, we had to get sprinklers in there. So that kind of set us back a little bit. Yeah, so with that being said, we are back on track. Construction is back rolling. We are getting it. So yeah, man, stay in tune. Back at the fiveplex, we are here, about to meet the cabinet guy. Get pretty much his measurements done. Probably about let's say maybe like 2 months out. Yeah. So we're in the kitchen right now. He's gonna be doing cabinets and bathroom vanity. Get the measurements done. Yeah, so no luck so far for the wood floors, but I'll finish looking later. I gotta get to the office for some office work. But yeah, let me get these measurements done. Find it anywhere, ever. It's been discontinued for 10 years. I'm looking for 2 1/4. The minimum that he had was 3, and it's the same that the other store had. Whew. Yo, so it is Thursday, 1 a.m. Well, actually it's Friday at 1 a.m. I can't sleep. So yesterday we met with the cabinet guy. What you'll notice is like subs like always want to upcharge you, which I respect, you know what I'm saying, because they trying to make more money and more money. Let me slow it down, Birdman. So, and really don't ask me why I'm listening to Birdman at 1 in the morning. Birdman is my spirit animal. My business. Look, back to real estate. So basically what I was saying is, you'll notice like the subs always want to upcharge you, which I respect because that's how they make their money, but you really gotta go over everything and design how you want it, and remember that you're in control. Remember that you're in charge, you know what I mean? What you want, you know what I mean? The person with the money has the control, has the authority, and you're in the role of the developer / investor, and you know what I'm saying? So really, couldn't sleep. So basically what I'm designing is, and don't judge my drawings, so basically what I did was drew the cabinets the best way that I could, and just to see how I think they would actually look. So putting the cabinets right here, vent hood, trying to see where the oven, dishwasher would go. Instead of putting cabinets in the middle, putting 1x10, then right here. Seeing if I'm gonna put the sink right here. Well, I was gonna have to put the sink right here, but yeah, man. Really just trying to see exactly. Yeah, you can see another unit. How I did it. Fridge going right there. Oven. Front facing cabinet. Sinks right there. Cabinet. Electrical stuff. Forgot to put the outlets up here. Like, come on, man. It's kitchen. But yeah, 1x10s right here, cabinets right here. Yeah, man. I mean, look, it don't stop, man. See you tomorrow. It is Friday. We are finally starting construction, man. Damn, we forgot this door, man. Back to it. Friday. We are starting construction on Monday. We are starting from the exterior on out. Over here getting a couple measurements to make sure I have all the materials in place. Yeah, man. Feeling good. I thought I was gonna be able to do like a weekly thing every week. That's probably not gonna happen. I got too much stuff going on, but I am going to still be doing the my series, pretty much focusing on the rehab of this duplex, which will be pretty much same exact thing. Yeah, man, it's gonna be a good experience to share this and document this. Yeah, man. Sub was supposed to get me a material list, but I don't wait on people. I'm getting it myself, but I gotta stay on them, you know what I mean, as you should.
Hello?
Luther, what's up, man?
Hey, busy right now. How you doing? Good morning, sir.
Good, man. I'm busy as well, man. I'm not gonna take up too much of your time. I'm looking for that material list, so do you need me to give it to you? What's up? Trying to get started on Monday.
Yeah, for the 2x4, no? Or what you list for the exterior?
Yes, as discussed yesterday, we're starting with exterior. We're getting rid of those. We're getting rid of the cement bricks. We're gonna get rid of the cement bricks, and we're gonna be reframing both of these porches. And we're also gonna be putting those 6x6s as well. Yeah. So so what do you need me to have in place for you to start on Monday?
Yes, okay. It's today. Me right now, I gotta go for the Dora. The Dora today is the list for you today. Okay. For the Monday is start.
Okay, gotcha. Yeah, Monday. I'll be here Monday at 7:30. That works.
Yes.
Yeah, I know you. I know you.
You know, like for working tomorrow for demo.
Yeah. I mean, if you want to start tomorrow, we can start tomorrow.
Yes, tomorrow for demo. Please, tomorrow is the demo.
Well, okay, don't say tomorrow and then they don't show up. What time?
Okay, let me see if what time? 7 or 7:30. Let me see. Give me call today for you for the lunch. Okay, me right now for my guys. Me call today for the lunch. Okay.
Okay, I'll call you back. All right.
Okay, thank you, sir.
All right. Hey, man, you gotta stay on, man. Good dude, but yeah, you gotta just stay on it, because I mean, they'll say they'll call you. They say they'll call you back around 12, and then it's 3 o'clock, and it's a whole day wasted. You know what I mean? And and I don't have time for that. I got other stuff to do. This is not even my main focus. This is my house, but I gotta, you know what I'm saying? It's not my main thing I'm doing right now. You know what I'm saying? Everybody gotta play their part. Yeah, so other than that, it's gonna be a good day. Finished up part 3 of the tax credits for one of the properties. Starting it for the triplex. Pretty much I have to collect a bunch of invoices and get all the numbers straight of what was spent versus what was saved. They really only want proof for anything over 2,500. As I mentioned before, as far as tax credits, you can get tax credits back from the Fed, 20%. Fed from the tax credits from the state as well. It's 20%. It's another 20%, and that can kick back from your construction costs if you work a deal good enough. But yeah, man. Friday. It's gonna be a good day. You know what I mean? Look at my shit looking all loose in the neck. Can't be doing all that, man. But it's Friday. It's gonna be a good day. I'm looking forward to starting this rehab. I'm looking forward to document it. I'm looking forward to sharing my journey. Tap in. Stay tuned. It's gonna be a lot. I'm gonna break it down into phases. First phase being the exterior work. We already did the demo, so another part of the fraction of the first phase is pretty much we're gonna be working ourselves out from the outside on in. This is not new construction, it's a rehab. So pretty much closing everything in, reframing the windows, fixing up this porch. Porch is like pretty bad. Let me show it to you. You can see it. Whew. It's a beautiful day though, man. Yeah, man, I mean, you can see. Yeah, man, pretty much putting those 6x6s right here, getting rid of these cement steps, reframing this porch, getting rid of this, getting rid of that house on the prairie ass tree, getting rid of these cement steps, opening this up 6x6, 6x6. Let me put a trim. Oh, I already have a trim I can just paint. Oh shit, I'm a genius. Match that with the same stain as the 6x6. Is that wood underneath as well? Oh yeah, I'm about to. Oh yeah. I'm about to kill it. Yeah, stay tuned. Yeah, stay tuned. It's gonna be a really, really great time. Waiting on one of the guys to come pass by, as I mentioned last time. Opening up this wall, gonna be reframing the closet. Pretty much breaking this down right here. Gonna reframe it more. It's gonna be the hallway. Could be a bedroom, so the bedroom stop right here. It's not like y'all really like, you know what I mean? I'll throw the plans up. You may not be able to see the vision, but I'll break the vision down for you. We're gonna kill it. You know what I mean? Yeah, so gotta get this flooring done. Yeah, man, going good. If you have any questions, I want to see more of something, leave it in the comments. Let me know your thoughts. Let me know if you think I should paint the exterior. Yeah, make some suggestions. Let me know how you feel. Yeah. Until next time.